Hey there, drone fans. Today I'd like to show you one of my favorite features of the DJI Neo 2 drone. It's the ability for you to position this drone anywhere you need it in the sky using nothing more than your open hand. And it's a feature I use an awful lot when I'm out vlogging and I've got the drone in follow mode and maybe the position's not quite right. I want the camera a little bit to my right. I can use this feature to move it gently to where I want and then continue along with my vlog. And it's incredibly easy to use once you know how. So what you'll do is put the drone in follow mode first.
Follow. 3, 2, 1.
All right, and that's how I normally set up a drone for a vlog. It'll fly back to the position I've set in the application. And then once it's tracking me like it is now, if I move along, it's gonna follow me and I can continue with my vlog. But maybe I want it a little bit to my right. And normally I'd have controllers or my phone. This feature allows me to hold up a closed fist, open my fingers. The LED in the front will turn dark blue. And now I'm in control of the drone. So I can elevate the drone, I can move it to the right, I can elevate it higher on the right if I want. And when I have the position I need, I can close my fingers and the drone goes back to follow me mode. So it's gonna stay there and continue tracking me. Now another aspect of this feature, which is pretty cool, allows you to push the drone back or pull it in closer to you. And to do that, you'll hold up two closed fists, open both your fingers. Again, the LED will turn dark blue. I can move my hands together and the drone will come in closer to me, and I can move them apart and the drone will fly back. So between those two features, I can actually position the drone exactly where I need it in the sky. And when I'm happy with the position, just close your fingers and it goes back to tracking mode. And if I want to lower the drone again, a single hand, open my fingers, and then lower the drone. So you can see that this feature gives you a tremendous amount of control because you don't need a phone, you don't need a controller, you don't need anything except the drone and a hand to actually move it around. And when you're done for the day, just held in an open palm like that, the drone recognizes that as a return to home. It'll come back, find your hand, and then land right where it took off. It's my favorite part. So the Neo 2 to me is really the perfect drone for anybody flying today. So if you're in the hobby already and you've got another drone, this is a great one to take on vacation. It captures 4K footage. It does a lot of automated flights. You can run it with a controller. You can run it with your phone. You can use the FPV kit. I mean, it's really a bunch of drones in one, and it's just a whole lot of fun to fly and incredibly easy as well. So hopefully you found this quick tutorial helpful. Every time I use this feature, I gotta be honest, I feel like Yoda with that hand up, you know, like moving things out there in Star Wars. It's a pretty cool feature. Anyway, that's it for today. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, I gotta say it every time, what are you waiting for? We've got so much cool stuff coming this summer. You're definitely gonna wanna be part of the Drone Valley family. And to do that, all you have to do is hit that little icon down there in the corner, and you can watch all the videos that are coming up. And if you turn on your notifications, every time we post a video, you'll get a little ding, you're gonna get a notification that there's a new video up. So anyway, that's it for today. I'm having a great summer flying. I hope you guys are as well. So until next time, as always, happy flying.